Hi, I'm Charlotte, an AI-powered demo presenter. Welcome to the world of Fogwing Asset Plus, a smart CMMS platform for industrial asset maintenance. In this video, we'll guide you through creating and assigning maintenance work orders, which are integral in maintaining your assets efficiently. Let's get started. To begin, log into your Fogwing asset account. Once logged in, click the Work Order menu item on the dashboard. You'll be navigated to the Work Order page. Here, you can manage and create maintenance work orders efficiently. Click the Create Work Order button. This will open up a form where you can input details about the maintenance task. Fill in the required details, such as work order name, work order code, and work order type. Select the asset that requires maintenance. Describe the maintenance work order, and mention the planned start date of the maintenance work order. Mention the target date when you want the maintenance work order completed. Set the priority of the maintenance. Mention the fault type if you have selected the work order type as fault. Select the checklist template if required. Mention the estimated work hours needed for the asset maintenance, and click Submit. Congratulations! You have successfully created a work order. Now, let's learn how to assign maintenance work orders to a team or individuals on the Fogwing Asset Plus platform. The Fogwing Asset Plus platform enables users to assign maintenance work orders to individuals or teams. Let's get started. Once on the work order page, select the work order you wish to assign to the individual or team. Click on the three dots under the Action section. Click on the Assign Work Order. You will be directed to the Assign Work Order page. Select the assigning type. It can be an individual or a team. If you wish to assign the work order to a team, then select the team from the drop-down menu. If you choose individual, select one or more individuals. Once done, click the Submit button. Congratulations! You have successfully assigned the work orders to the maintenance engineers. Thank you for watching this Fogwing Asset Plus maintenance work order creation demo. We're excited to help you with your asset maintenance journey. You can stay connected to maximize your experience with our product. We hope you found this demo insightful. For even more efficient maintenance management, download and use our mobile app. We are now available on the App Store and Google Play Store. Give it a try. Your assets will thank you. Until next time, take care and happy maintenance.